sponsored by Model Makers Workshop. Need parts for your next model project? Model Makers Workshop has you covered with the best aftermarket accessories around. And by Gaahleri, your one-stop shopping for all your airbrush needs. Hello, this is Ken, and thank you for tuning in on Model Building and Retirement channel. So this is just a real short video. This is a winner announcement for a contest that we had, a giveaway that is. And back on April 17th of 2026, we did a video and a review of the Gaahleri Turbox Mini air compressor with a GHAD airbrush included. And in that was the giveaway of this, which was announced back on the 17th. And today, May 1st, 2026, we do announce the winner. Okay. And I have a link to this video in the description if you do want to see it. It's a real nice demo of the unit and where you can purchase it, and a link for a discount. So check that out. It's in the description. So anyways, we did have a couple rules for the contest, and it was limited to the first 500 entries, which we had just shy of 300. Secondly, it was limited to the lower 48 states only because shipping costs are kind of outrageous these days. So I do apologize. I know I have viewers outside of the continental US, but I had to draw a limit there. So do apologize for that. And then finally, you had to be eligible, you had to have hashtag Turbox in your response in the comment section. So we used a comment tracker software to pick the winner. And what I did is I picked a winner and two alternates, because the winner has 5 days to respond to me with their email shipping address. And if I don't get a response within 5 days, I'm going to go to alternate number 1, and he has 5 days, he or she has 5 days to respond. And in worst case, we go to alternate number 2. So I'm sure that we'll be able to ship between the winner and the two alternates. So without any further ado, let's do that. It's kind of uneventful, so I'll try to dress it up a little bit, because basically you hit a button and no bells or whistles. It just picks a comment and it's instantly there. So let's do that. Okay, so it is time to pick the winner of the Gaahleri Turbox Mini airbrush compressor and GHAD airbrush included. And this contest, per the rules, the drawing is today, May 1st, 2026, and the cutoff was April 30th, 2026 at 11:29 p.m., which was last night. The rules was the first 500 comments, and we had 278. And to enter, you had to have a hashtag of Turbox, hashtag Turbox. Okay, so everything is ready. Now, this is pretty uneventful, so all you do is you hit this button here and you pick a random comment, or the picker picks a random comment. So I'll try to make it more dramatic, because there is no confetti or whistles or bells or anything. So what I'm going to do is I am going to pick a winner. And that winner has 5 days to respond with their shipping address, and it must be a shipping address in the lower 48 states. And I'm going to pick two alternates just in case the original winner does not respond with their address. Then the first alternate will have 5 days, and ultimately the second. And I'm hoping between all three of those that we definitely have a winner. So, all right. So without any further ado, I'm going to take my mouse and I'm going to click a random comment. And the winner is K-Dog's Model Cars. Okay, so we're going to write that down. Okay, now we're going to pick an alternate. Alternate number 1 is Joe's New Rush Shop. And the second alternate. Alternate number 2 is at Cowboy Bomb. Okay, so K-Dog, you have 5 days to respond to an email at modelbuildingandretirement@gmail.com with your shipping address, and I'll get this shipped out to you right away. Let me know if you want it autographed or not. That's an option. Okay, well, congratulations to the winner. Okay, so congratulations to K-Dog for being the winner. You have 5 days, K-Dog, to email me, and I'll have the name up here. Email to modelbuildingandretirement@gmail.com within 5 days of today, and give me your shipping address, and I'll get this mailed out to you. Let me know if you want it autographed or not, because it was screen used on the Model Building and Retirement channel, so it may be worth something someday. And, you know, I have 2 alternates, so sorry you didn't win their alternates, but who knows, if K-Dog doesn't reply, one of you guys might. So really appreciate you watching that. And again, if you want to see the particulars on this, the link for that video is in the description, and you know, check it out. And you do get a discount if you use the discount codes that are in my description and the links provided. So you know, it's not too late if you want one of these. So, okay, folks, I really appreciate it. Congratulations again, K-Dog, and we'll see you guys next time.